Hindi, pasok muna. The problem 1. Specific AI tools are used by students and how do thus impact their academic performance. Problem 2. How does AI contribute to their learning efficiency? Problem 3. In what way does AI affect their quality of work in school? Scope and limitation. This study focuses on investigating the effect of artificial intelligence on the academic performance of grade 10 students, age 14 to 18, both male and female, Transmatter City National High School, Concho Annex. The respondents are limited to 60 select grade 10 students. Our activity is artificial intelligence tools in their academic activities. The study assess the relationship between the use of AI tools and studies academic performance. Chapter 2. The 5 best RRL and RRS. 1. Application of artificial intelligence in education and rapidly evolving reshaping the overall teaching and learning landscape. Learners, teachers, and educational institutions are quickly embracing. Number 2. According Aknitoba AI 2025, AI contributes to enhanced academic outcomes by personalizing learning experience, improving student engagement and facilitating better decision making in education. Of artificial intelligence, AI into the educational environment has become increasingly relevant, particularly with the advent of advanced language models like ChatGPT and adapted learning system. Number 4. Artificial intelligence groups possibilities from personalizing learning in unprecedented way like analysis and processing. AI can gather information about learning performance, student progress, and individual learning system accurately and timely. Number 5. According to the study of being Emilia, Idas and lastly, 2025, they discovered that senior high school student understanding of AI mostly limited to application scenarios as voice assistant, image generation, rather than technical technically informed lacking at the cognitive awareness of mathematical connection.
Sige, yan ang conceptual framework. What's next?